Afternoon, my dear Posher friends. I'm just showing you about a bundle of 9 that I am about to finish wrapping. And as some of you know, I sell beautiful vintage, so I've got to wrap it very carefully. So I thought I'd do a series of videos to show you the steps that I take. To start, there was 9 things, and what I have here is these homemade little boxes that I've been able to source. A lady in Sydney makes them up and she sells them to me, and they're homemade, so they're so good. I'll show you one in detail in the next video. And also in here is a bracelet and a pendant that this customer bought, which was featured on this plate, so she's getting that as a deal. Then she bought quite a lot of pearls. I'm pretty sure this lady has a vintage shop in South Australia near Margaret River. So she bought those, and then this little cup, and this she got a great deal because it's Shelley, and one of my favourite flowers there. But yeah, being Shelley. So all in all, I'm going to pack these 9 items, and I should get it in under the 2 kilo mark. So all good.